Welcome back for a long time. We have 10 days break for this course. Now, let's see. From last class, we have discussed what is variables and how to declare the variables, how to assign values to a variables, and how to assign multiple values, how to assign one value to multiple variables. That is multiple assignment. Now, let's discuss the data types in Python. Data types are the classification or categorization of data items. Data types represent a kind of value which determines what operations can be performed on the data. Let's see, the data types plays a key role for what operations can be performed. Suppose if the data type is Boolean, it can perform only either true or false. Suppose if the data type is in set, it can only stores only single value. It cannot store the duplicate values. And also we have different types of numbers like natural numbers and integers and floating point numbers. So this type of now let's see different types of these. Python provides various standard data types that define the storage method on each of them. Data types defined in Python are given below: numbers, sequence type, boolean, set, and dictionary. Data types in Python. No, that's the data types or Python data types. First one, numbers. The number in numbers contain int, float, and complex. So the data types can in Python. The number of data types are five. In first one, the numbers. The numbers can be subdivided into three types. One is integer, another one is float, and another one is complex number. Integer is nothing but a common number. Floating point number is nothing but it contains a decimal point, and a complex number is nothing but it contains a number j. The complex number is in a form of a plus bj. So here j equal to minus I square. So we know the what are the integers, floating point numbers, and complex numbers. Now let's see the booleans. Boolean numbers are nothing. Boolean data types are nothing but either true or false. Suppose if we mention that 2 greater than 3, either true or false. So it's false. When we compare that 10 less than, oh, 10 equal to 10, when it is true. So in this way, we can see that the Boolean data types. And now see the set. Different. Now we know the set cannot be contained the duplicate value. The set contain only single value. Dictionaries. In the dictionaries contains both key and value. Dictionary is nothing but a key value pair data types. And the sequence data types. The sequence can be subdivided into the sequence data types can be subdivided into three types. One is string, and another one is list, and another one is tuple. From this, we have seen that a string can be represented by using the double inverted commas. Anything can be written in a double inverted commas. It can be a string and a list. List can hold any type of value in a square bracket. We have detailed discuss about list topic. What is list? And what are the operations of the list and different types of list we have discussed about another video about the list. We have just discussed about what are data types in Python only. Another one is tuple. Here tuple can be angular brackets where list can be denoted by the square brackets. Tuple can also store the variables, different types of variables. Now these are the different data types and their examples in Python. Now let's see the different data types list, string, tuple numbers and dictionary. Now data types in Python, one is numeric data types, integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. Now let's discuss about the data types in Python. In the second, we have to know the numeric data types. Numeric are integers, floating point numbers and complex numbers. And the booleans, the data with one of the two Boolean values, true or false. Notice that T and F are capital. True or false are not valid Boolean. So when we write true or false, it where the first letter goes to the capital. The small letters cannot be valid as a Boolean. Remember this point. The T and F are always capital while in Booleans either true or false. And Python will throw an error of them. Suppose if x equal to true, please note that Python is a case-sensitive programming language. Thus, manpower and manpower are two different identifiers in Python. Here there is a one change. What is here M is capital, here is M is small. So these two are two different identifiers. Why? Because Python is a case-sensitive language where capital M and small m are two different were considered as two different types of values. So we can write as true in starting number T as capital. It is about now let's discuss the sequence data type. A sequence is an ordered collection of similar or different data types. Python has the following built-in sequence data types. One is string. A string value is a collection of one or more characteristics put in single or double or triple quotes. List. A list object is an ordered collection of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type, put in a square brackets. Tuple. A tuple object is an ordered collection of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type, put in parentheses. Here, these are very important for interview. What is string? We can say that simply string is a collection of one or more characters put in singular, double, or triple quotes. List. What is list? A list is a collection of a list is a ordered collection of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type, put in square brackets. Tuple. A tuple object is an ordered collection of one or more data items, not necessarily of the same type, put in parentheses. Now let's see example of sequence type. Here example X is a hello world. Here hello world can be denoted by using put in a inverted commas or double quotes. Double quotes, it is string. Now why there is a square bracket, it can be a list. Suppose there is a angular braces, it can be a tuple or parenthesis. Parenthesis, it must be a tuple. Now let's see another data type dictionary. A dictionary object is an unordered collection of data in a key value pair. It contains both key and value pair of form. A collection of such pairs is enclosed in curly braces. For example, D equal to 1 physics 2 chemistry 3 max. So this is one is key, physics is the value, 2 is key, chemistry is the value, and 3 is key and math is the value. Here the key contains only a unique value. Oh, let's see another data type set. Python set is an unordered collection of data type. It is iterable, mutable, can modify after creation, and also and has unique elements. The set is created by using a built-in function set or a sequence of elements is passed in the curly braces and separated by the example set 1 equals set t set, set 2 equals to James 2 3 Python. So James is a string 2 comma 3 are the integer numbers and Python is a string. No, please. We have learned different types of data types. From practical way, we have seen how we can find these data types. Now let's see how to check whether the data type, whether it is a string or it is a integer or it is somewhat. How to check this data type? Click the add text. How to using the function type. Show which class a variable or a value belongs to. Okay. Now suppose a equal to 100, print type of a. Here a equal to 100 is an integer. So it gives output int. Suppose b equal 10.235, print the type of b. Here class. Here to 10.235 is a floating point number. So when we know the data type by using a type function, data type conversion. Now, from this, we have to know what are data types and how to know whether the whether the following is a which type of data type. Now, how to convert from one data type to another data type. Now, let's discuss Python defines type conversion functions to directly convert one data type to another, which is useful in day-to-day and competitive programming. There are several built-in functions to perform conversion from one data type to another. These functions return a new object representing the converted value. So, how to convert one data type to another data type? We have several built-in functions. Now, let's see different built-in functions to convert one data type to another data type. Here, data type conversion from int a comma base. This function converts any data type to integer where base specifies base specifies the base in which string is if data type is string. Float. This function is used to convert any data type to a floating point number. ORT. This function is used to convert a character to integer. Hex. This function is used to convert integer to hexadecimal string. Oct. This function is used to convert integer to octal string. Tuple. This function is used to convert to tuple to a tuple set. This function returns the type after converting to the set. List. This function is used to convert any data type to a list type. Dict. This function is used to convert a tuple of order key value into the dictionary. Str used to convert integer to a string. Complex real comma image. This function converts real numbers to complex real imaginary numbers. CHR number. This function converts number to its corresponding ASCII characters. Now let's discuss about different types. Integer. When any data type can be converted into integer, we can write int a comma base. Here base specifies in which a string is if data type is a string. Now let's discuss float. The float can be when we write float of a, it becomes directly converted into a floating point number, and ORD. This function converts the a character to integer hex. We know the hexadecimal values, so we can directly any integer can be converted into the hexadecimal form. You can write a hex of that number. You can directly convert it to the hexadecimal and oct. You can know the different types of numbers, octal numbers. Therefore, you can convert the string directly converted into octal tuple. Let's discuss the data type tuple. This function is used to convert to a tuple set. This function returns the type after converting to the set list. This function is used to convert any data type to a list type and dictionary dict. This function is used to convert a tuple of order key value into a dictionary. str, a string, used to convert integer into a string. Complex real image. This function converts real number to complex real image numbers. CHR number. This function converts to number to its corresponding ASCII character. Now let's write down these all points 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12 points. Now let's take a screenshot and later you can copy in your notes. Oh, this is about the variables and data types. Now we can see the practical part. These data types. Now let's see the practical part of these. Now let's create a equal to 1, b equal to 2.3, c equal to plus 2 here, and x equal to here A, B, C. Here A is integer and B is a floating point number and C is a complex number. And then now we can consider 2, 2 greater than 3. Here A is now let's consider Boolean numbers. Suppose if A, B, C, okay, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So 3 print greater than 5, x greater than y. And now create a string for s equal to 1m solutions. So string must be in a inverted comma. Now let's create a string and now create the set. Set 1 equal to set can be created by using a curly braces. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma. Here we have given 2 files. Now how the output will come? Let's see. Let's create a list. 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, 5. Now let's create tuple. Tuple can be created by using a parenthesis. 1, comma 4, comma 5, comma. Here we have add string. Here we also add string. Cd. So the parenthesis now create additionally is equal to parenthesis e value pair. Here one value is uh, 2. Write a name or you can take any string. So 10th class or 9th class. In third one, you can write as mention it's a page 10. It's the age. I can close the parenthesis and this is dictionary. Now let's see the this is about the dictionary. All these. Oh, we have right the print function to print all these. Now let's print a and also print a type of a. Also we have to print type of a. How to know the type of a. This was print b. Type of b and also print c. Type of c. Now this was printed the string is Here after set print list. No, print tuple. No, print dictionary. Now from this we have print type of essay. Now this save this file. Now we have save this file. So we have write variables and data types. So now let's save. We can save this file. Now we can run this file by using the run module. Here we can get here set one is not defined. So yes, here as capital. So we say that Python is an case sensitive. Here we can say S is not defined. From this we can see that here print first one print x greater than y. Here 2 greater than 3 is false statement. So it gives the result false. And print a equal to 1 and type of a equal to int class int and print b. Here print b equal to 0.3 and type of b equal to float and print c. Here c equal to 1 plus 2j and type of class b c equal to complex number and print s. Here s is one of the list. It is a string, it can give the string and from this you cannot print the here set value, so we can collect the set, can write small s and then save and then again run by using run. Here we can get the values, exact values. See that here set. Here we can write from this. We observe that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 can be written 2 times, but here we can give only 1 time. This is how the set can be written only one value. It cannot contain any duplicate values. And list can be written and tuple is the same and dictionary. This is a type of S. Now we can convert one type to another type. Now here A is a float. Therefore we can write S can be completed. Therefore Q equal to half of A. Now we can print Q. Now let's save and from the module. Here we can get from this. Here we see that print A can be 1. From this here print Q can be 1.0. Why? Because it can be converted into floating point number. We know that the type of print type of the print type of Q. So now let's save and then run. Here the Q can be run. Here the Q is a floating point number. Why? Because it can be converted by using a float. So this is how to convert from strings what are the variables and what are data types, and how to know the data type and how to convert one data type to another data type. This is about from today's class. Now tomorrow we will discuss and the topic in Python. Please go to practice. You can get more knowledge on this. Thanks for coming and joining. We'll stop this. We will stop from this. Tomorrow we will continue the remaining